Okay, this is how we deploy our jacks on the Class C motorhome. We have a big foot system. Okay, we bought these jack pads at Walmart. You want them to go the slick side down. I've seen people put the honeycomb part down. It's not meant to be like that. It'll fill with dirt and mud if you put this down, so you want this part down. You put it like this. I have them on the other three. All right. Kind of line it up with the foot best you can. Okay. Now once I had it level, I put these levelers on here. Okay, once I had got the camper level, it's fairly level right now. I'm not really worried about too much level. I'm putting them down because I'm working on the roof and I want it to be stable. This is in the corner, right next to where the door is. Right next to where the driver's door is. Alright. The way we do it, this is the big foot. We turn the power on. It runs through a check. Alright, now we put it on manual. I want to manually put them down. Hold the button. The light comes on manual. Then I'm going to put the front ones down first. This is the right front and the left front. So I'm going to press them both together at the same time. You got to make sure you're plugged into show power or your generator is running. In this case, I'm in show power. I'm plugged into show power and also have the battery switch on. Okay. You can hear them going down. Okay. Now, it's not necessarily, I'm not worried about level so much, but it is level. Okay. All right, now this would be back and forth. Now we're going to go to the rear, here and here. Hold them down. And you'll see when the camper starts to raise. All right. I think I raised it a little bit too much. All right, let's look. Yeah, I see I'm way up. Okay, I can come up a little bit more in the front ones. Okay. I think that's close enough. Like I said, I'm just working on the top. It doesn't have to be 100% level. The back is still up higher. Yeah, the back's up a little bit. Might come a little bit more up on the front. Okay. Back's still a little hard, but that's okay. Alright. The camper's not going to bounce around now. Alright, take system power, turn it off. Okay, that's it. Let's look under there to make sure all 4 jacks are down. Yeah, the 2 front ones are down, definitely. Okay. Let's go back and look at the real one. Yeah, they're down and good. I put some boards under here. I'm at home, and this gravel in the back is not packed at all because I never run over it with anything. So everything looks good. And the camper's stable now. When I get on top, it won't shake around. How we do it here? Put down our Bigfoot jacks.